Welcome to the story world. Today I'm going to tell a story about dog on his bus. I am a dog. I drive a bus. See, there's a dog inside the bus. I pick up Frog. Come ride with us. I drive in rain. Wow. And I drive in snow. And I drive in fog. Off we go. I make a ride by the lake. Wow, there's a lake. I pick up hen. I pick up snake. I make a left by the tree. And I pick up bug and I pick up bee. Hen and snake need a hat. I drop them off at Hats by Cat. See, there's a hat by cat shop. Bug and bee want a book. Wow, that's good. I drop them off so they can look. We pass a cab. We pass a truck. Inside the truck is my friend duck. Quack, 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 quack. Police dog waves hello to me. Hello, police dog. I see him every day at 3. At my next stop, there is a line. A line of 9 will fit just fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hungry Bear wants his lunch. I drop him off at Crunch a Bunch. Crunch, 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 crunch. Grandpa Frog needs a cane. He gets off at First and Main. Oh no, what now? My tires blow. So I pump them up so we can go. Each day at 5, see what I do? I park my bus, I wash it too. I love my job. It is good fun. I love my bus and everyone. Ta-da! We come to an end. The story, the end.